Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to get Overwatch on PC. First, you'll need to know that Overwatch 2 is a free-to-play team-based hero shooter. To access this exciting game, you will need to download and install the Battle.net desktop application, which is Blizzard Entertainment's official gaming platform. This application is essential for downloading, installing, and next, you'll need to set up your Battle.net account. Head over to the official Battle.net website and create a free account. It's important to note that a mobile phone number must be linked to your account for security purposes before you can play. Once your account is ready, download the Battle.net desktop application directly to your computer. This client manages all your Blizzard games. Elevate your speed by mastering pattern recognition. Look for naked pairs or triples, where 2 or 3 cells in a unit share the same 2 or 3 candidates, allowing you to eliminate those numbers from other cells. Similarly, identify hidden pairs or triples. For advanced solvers, understanding X-wing and swordfish patterns across multiple rows or columns can unlock even the most challenging puzzles. Before diving in, ensure your personal computer meets the minimum system requirements, such as a 64-bit operating system and at least 6 GB of RAM. A stable broadband internet connection is also crucial for the best online experience. Once installed, simply launch Overwatch 2 from the Battle.net app, complete the brief training, and then you are ready to join the action and play with friends.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.